clear tu te chibai le vekule tunchum kan video a chuan Mizoram Sarkar hnuaia Hnaruak hrang dil theitele Central Sarkar SSC hnuaia Hnaruak hrang dil theite kan en ho le don ani ahmasa in Central lam han hoi hmasa ila SSC chuan kumin sang ni somni le parukatana India rama department hrang hnuaia group B le group C Hnaruak ati chuak le ta a SSC CGL combined graduate level Hnaruak en hmasa ila avain post singkha sang ni somnga le paruk arwaka SSC CGL kan hanti hian post ruak te chu na te chu assistant inspector sub inspector income tax inspector tax assistant UDC assistant audit officer assistant account officer assistant section officer assistant enforcement officer junior statistical officer auditor accountant junior accountant kan ti tele adang te ani hlo hi pay level 4 atanga pay level 8 in car ani a na asirin pay level kha in anglovani pay level 4 kan hanti khanin singni sanga atanga singriat le sangkhat le zain car an hlo dona pay level 4 hlo theichin na te chu postal assistant UDC tax assistant sub inspector kan ti tang khani a pay level 5 a chuan singni sangkwa zakwa atanga singkwa sangni zathumin car an hlonga auditor accountant junior accountant kan tiang chi te pay level 6 a chuan assistant sub inspector junior statistical officer kan tiang chi te pay level 7 a chuan assistant section officer inspector income tax inspector post pay level 8 kan tia chuan assistant audit officer assistant account officer kan tiang chi te kha ani don ani qualification graduate pass shrim tan eng subject a po adil thei dona atam zok kha adil thei ani amai ro chu post then khata khan graduate a po subject lak big deuh nei ngai te haoma advertisement a khan chiang zokin kan lo en don nia age limit kumsom pariat atanga somni pasari in kar dil theite kumsom pariat atanga somthum somni atanga somthum som pariat atanga somthum pahni in kar apo se zir khan dil thei kha awm sang thlu ani STSC tan kumnga upper age relaxation khang kan han soitak zongzong a khan awm thei don ani nalak dana hian online atangin SSC website www.ssc.gov.in atangin form fill up thei ani a form fill up dan video chu video description a hian video hlui tutorial video kalo da to a kan lo en mai don nia selection process a hian CBT online exam computer based test sangkha ani dona interview om don lovani tier 1 le tier 2 exam omanga tier 1 a hian GK and reasoning 25 question 50 marks general awareness 25 question 50 marks quantitative aptitude 25 question 50 marks English comprehension 25 question 50 marks te anianga chuan negative mark question pakhati diklawa khan 0.50 mark zel khan kat don bokani sectional timer om dona section tina khan time bithlia kha minute som panga zel kha om dona ni tier 2 a hian paper pathum om dona paper 1 section pali omanga paper 2 le paper 3 om don bokani advertisement a chiang zokin khami syllabus kha kan lo enanga paper 1 hi compulsory ani rualin paper 2 le 3 te hi chu kan na post zir khan exam kher angai lawani kan na dil du zir khanin syllabus kha kan lo en chiang don nia chipchia zokin advertisement a khan kan lo en don nia exam center chu Mizoram bi ka aizola omdona dil thei hun chung last date hi June ni som ni le pahni thlengani yang form fill up sualte tan edit correction ti theina hun kha June ni som ni pakwa thanga July ni khatin kara khan an hong don bokani tier 1 exam hi August emo September vel ani dona tier 2 exam hi December beisei ani bokani SSC CGL exam inbuatsaihna to study materials te question hlui le solve te kan moni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in khan kan lo entry don nia pahnina chuanin State Bank of India SBI apprentice Hnaruak en leila post work zathi sangsari le za somnga ani a Mizoram bi ka chuan post somnga le pali arwakani posting na mun Mizoram bi ka aizola post somni le pariat arwaka kolasi pa panga lungleya post pali champhaya pathum serchipa pathum mamita pahni siaha pahni saitwal pahni longtlai pahni khosol post pahni hnathawk post pakhat arwakani dil theite graduate to photan adil theidona kumbithlia hian kumsomni atanga somni pariatin kartana dil theinga keini STSC tribal tan กุมสมทุมเล่ปทุมเคร่งให้นาทีนะเอาเทโดนั่นนี่ถ้าโถช่วง duration period ที่กุมขัดอันนี้โดนะ stipend ขัดตินสิงขัดเล่สังงาอันโหลโดนพวกนี้ selection process อาเฮียน written exam written test โดนะติน language test มิโซรัมปีกาจวนมิโซจงมิโซ language test ข้าโดนนี่ online written test ปีกาเฮียน general financial awareness 25 marks อันนี้งา general English 25 marks qualitative aptitude 25 marks reasoning ability and computer aptitude อาเฮียน25 marks อันนี้งา marks ซาปูงา question ซาโดนนี่ language test ปีกาเฮียน class 10 และ class 12 มิโซ subject โลลาเตตัน language test ที่ไหนแค่ร่างไงเลยวะไม่รู้จู class 10 class 12คันมิโซ subject กันโลลาโลนี้ชวนนี้ language test คันไหนอ่างไงโดนนี่ language test ในตูรินมินนโกเลโดนะ language test กันปัลตังโลนี้ชวนนี้ written exam คันโลติดทวีปนี้ละ select กันนี่โดนเลยวะนี่ดีลดันตูราเฮียน online train form fill up ตูรันี่SBI online website sbi.co.in/career trangin apply turani video description a hian a link kada ani kan lo endon nia application fee cheng za thum general tan ani anga keini SSC tan chuan angai lovani choi khom lovani last day chu June niriat ani yang Mizoram chu Hnaruak lam hoile toila tuiri ni project monitoring unit maya heng an hoi na te hiruaka contract co terminus basis ani donani project azo huna atop ve haldon kan na kha top ve haldon tinani pakhatna chuan social development officer post pakhat environment officer pakhat assistant engineer civil post pathum assistant engineer electrical pakhat legal officer pakhat junior engineer civil post paru JE junior engineer electrical post patni te arwakani hlohan en leila social development officer environment officer assistant engineer electrical civil tin legal officer kan ti te khanin pay level 10 singli sang thum le zanga sumruk kha fix in an hlodona junior engineer civil junior engineer electrical kan ti te khanin fix in thakata sing thum le za sum kuwa an hlodon bokani kumsom pariya atanga som thum panga in kartan dil thei ani dona STSC tan chuan kumsom li thleng ngai na thiam na om thei dona ni Mizo language proficiency nei angaya tin thiam na nei ngai te hi tuna screen a kan tala nang hian ani advertisement a khan chiang sokin kan lo endonia advertisement download link chu video description a hian kada kan lo check out donia nalak dan tura hian personal interview mangalak tur ani dona ahun tur chu anon ta lang le dona ni deal dan tur application form hi PNE department website a download thein da ani kan lo download mai donia office la chuak du tan chuan project director TPMU office Temple Square Tuikwa South ISO la tangin lak chhuwa thei ani tin application form submit mun tur hi project director TPMU office Temple Square Tuikwa South ISO la ani don ani last date chu June niriat ani yang longtlai DC office Hnaruak en leila driver post pali arwaka anghet regular ani don ani lohi pay level 2 singkha sang kwale zakwa atanga singli sangli le zali in car ani dona class 8 pass driving license LMVT non transport emo trans medium heavy emo khatiang chi khane ngaya tin PSV bus medium emo heavy apakha zok zok thiam na nei angai bokani tin MVI hnuaia skill test driving license kan dil dona MVI skill test kan tiang chi khapal tlang angai boka middle school standard chin mizo tong thiam angai bokani kumsom pariya atanga somthum panga in kartan dil theini STSC tan kumsom li thleng ai na thiam na aom thei don ani dil dan tura hian dil na form hi establishment branch longtlai district DC office alak chhuwa thei ani hem huna vek hian submit le turani tin longtlai DC office website dclongtlai.mizoram.gov.in atang point online in form hi download thei ani don bokani video description a khan a link kada kan lo endon nia last day chu June som le pariat ani nalak dan tura hian written skill test interview dona driver written exam le namun tur chu department website lama khan department lamin ron ti chuak le dona ni driver exam inbuatsaihna tu study materials te question hlui kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in khan kan lo entry donia pangana chuan Mizoram Legislative Assembly Hnaruak en leila LDC regular post pakhat arwaka lohi pay level 4 ani dona class 12 pass computer certificate CCC neite na dil thenga tin typing speed 30 watts per minute thiam angai bokani kumsom pariat changa somthum panga inkar ta na dil thenga STSC tan kumsom li thleng a thei don ani form lak chuana tur establishment section Mizoram Legislative Assembly Secretariat aizola lak chua turani a hemi hmuna vek hian form submit le turani application fee hi cheng zale somnga STSC tan anianga general tan chuan cheng za ni aniang last date June ninga anianga nalak dan tura hian written exam skill test interview ani don ani LDC exam inbuatsaihna tur question hlui te study materials te zir tur kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo visit thin don nia parukna chuan printing and stationery department Hnaruak en leila LDC provisional employee PE post pathum arwaka hlohi pay level 4 anianga PE ani wangin 50% of pay level 4 kha an laphot don ani singkha sangruk zakwa somni an laphot don ani class 12 pass computer certificate DCAMO CCM nei angaya 30 watts per minute typing speed thei angai bokani Mizo language proficiency awm don boka class 10 na Mizo subject la tan ero Mizo language proficiency hi angai kherlawani kumsom pariat tanga somthum panga inkar ta na dil thenga STSC tan kumsom li thlenga na thiamna awmte donani form lak chuan hmun tur printing and stationery department secretariat annex 2 opposite of assembly house treasury square aizola ani donani hemi hmuna vek hian form hi submit le turani a application fee cheng zale somnga STSC tan aniang last date June ni somni le pakhat anianga nalak dan tura hian written skill test the interview om donani written exam hunte interview hun le hun tu te chu department website lama khan information anon ti chuak le donani LDC exam inbuatsaihna tur kan du ni chuanin ka website kan soi thin kha kan lo endonia ato pera chuan GAD General Administrative Department Mizoram House Mumbai driver Hnaruak en leila driver na hi post pakhat arwaka hlohi singkha sangthum le zanga somni ani donani class 8 pass driving license LMVNT trans medium emo heavy nei angaya tin PSV bus medium emo heavy khatian kha nei angai bokani driving license nei angai ni MVI hnuaya skill test pass nge kha ni angai boka middle school standard chin Mizo trong thiam angai bokani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar tan dil theini a kumsom li thleng STSC tan chuan ngai na thiamna awmte donani dilna form hi GAD office Mizoram Secretariat Building 1 Mineko Khatla Aizola MO Deputy Resident Commissioner Mizoram House Mumbai room number 105 first floor Sun Tower Building GD Ambedkar Mark Bhaoda Parel Mumbai MO GAD department website chu gad.mizoram.gov.in atangin form online in download thei ani donani tin khang kan han soitak hmuna te khan office te khan submit le tur ani donani last day June ni som le pakwa thleng ani anga written test skill test the interview awm donani kan soi thin ang khanin driver exam inbuatsaihna tur study materials te zir tur question hlui kan tiang chi te kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo visit thinanga chuta chuan question hlui te zir tur te engmozat kha kan duang chi kha awm donani kan lo hmang tangkai don nia